Hello children, welcome back to Class of Physics by Ashish Sharma sir, the easy and simple way to learn the concept of physics. I am sure you are liking my video, sharing my video to your friends and increasing my subscribers. Thank you everyone once again from the beginning itself that you will be watching. I am sure you will be watching this video till the end to understand the concept. That is magnetic dipole moment of revolving electron. We need to find out what is magnetic dipole moment of revolving electron. We have taken a path in which electron is revolving anti-clockwise. So obviously current का डायरेक्शन इलेक्ट्रॉन के डायरेक्शन के अपोजिट होता है, तो वो क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में होगा. और रेडियस ऑफ दिस path is circular path is r. So what Bohr has said that in hydrogen like atoms negatively charged electrons बाहर move करते हैं, revolves around positively charged nucleus, and this uniform circular motion of the electron is equivalent to the current loop which possesses a magnetic dipole moment m is equal to ia. ये जो मोशन है it is equivalent to current loop जो होता है जिसमें magnetic dipole moment m is equal to ia है. They are equivalent. Okay, तो हम निकालें magnetic moment. Okay, so directions I have already told. So we will find current now. Current I is equal to charge here we can write say charge upon time. Okay, charge को क्या लिख सकते हैं? We can write E, that is minus E for electron. Time is 2 pi r upon v. Yes, 2 pi r is path or the distance of the orbit, 2 pi r circumference. This we can write minus ev upon 2 pi r. Therefore magnetic dipole moment, how much we can write? M is equal to I is this one minus ev upon 2 pi r into a, area is pi r square, where a is area of orbit. इस ऑर्बिट का एरिया कितना है? पाई आर स्क्वायर. ओके, सो वी विल गेट m is equal to, you will get minus evr upon 2. Now we can also write this m is equal to minus evr into m. m is mass of the electron, this is 2m. m से मल्टीप्लाई किया, m से डिवाइड किया है हमने, तो देखिए एम वी आर, व्हाट इज दिस? एंगुलर मोमेंटम. दिस इज एंगुलर मोमेंटम ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो वी विल गेट m इज इक्वल टू माइनस ई वी. नाउ एम वी आर वी कैन राइट l अपॉन 2m, वेक्टर फॉर्म दिस वन. व्हाट इज दिस माइनस साइन? इट इज फॉर द charged electron. Also it is showing that direction of angular momentum is opposite to the magnetic direction of magnetic dipole moment. Now you know Bohr's quantization condition. What it says? That electron can revolve in an orbit. कहाँ पर possible है? जहाँ उसका angular momentum is integral multiple of nh by 2 pi. According to Bohr, angular momentum mvr is integral multiple of h by 2 pi, that is nh by 2 pi. We can substitute here. So from 1 you see in magnitude we will be writing m is equal to this e nh upon 2 pi here into 2m. So this m is equal to NEH upon 4 pi m. Okay, if we take n is equal to 1, then m for this smallest value, that is first orbit, equal to EH upon 4 pi m. This is called Bohr magneton. Okay, very important for 1 mark. पूछा जाता है, याद रखेंगे. So how we can define Bohr magneton? it is the magnetic moment associated with an electron due to its orbital motion in the first orbit of hydrogen atom, where we are getting first orbit, that means value of n is 1. So if we put n is equal to 1, we are getting this Eh upon 4 pi me. What is h here? Planck's constant. Okay. So mu b I am writing for Bohr magneton to separately show its value. If we substitute these values, constants E, H, pi, m, and solve this, you will find its value is coming out to be 9.27 into 10 to the power minus 24 ampere meter square. Question is asked, what is Bohr magneton? Write its unit, write its value. So you need to remember this. ठीक है, तो आई होप अच्छे से समझ में आ गया आपको. बार बार वीडियो को देखिए, कंसेप्ट क्लियर कीजिए एंड लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब तो करना है. फ्रेंड से भी बोलिए कि सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें अपने ग्रुप्स में, विच विल बी मोटिवेटिंग मी सो दैट आई विल बी ब्रिंगिंग विथ few more videos with easier way to learn the physics, concept of physics. Thank you everyone.